Hey guys, a very quick and very important MailChimp tip. This is about your images in your email, and this is super important. So any image that you have in an email, and I literally teach this to any subcontractor that works with us. I'm like, you need to know this. So any image you have, I'm just going to pick an image for now. Say this is your image at the top. You must put your alt text. It's called alt text description, which over here on the right, you'll see this little link that says alt. If you click that, this gives you a space for a description of that image. So this is important when you receive an email in your Gmail and say you're somewhere with spotty service and your images don't load, it's going to show that alt text. So for instance, if you are having a big sale and your huge graphic that says 30% off doesn't load, you can still put that here. It's just really important. Every image within your email, including your logo, including whatever is an image, should have this alt text description filled in. You can also read a little bit more about it if you click on what's this and why it's super important. But please just remember, alt text, fill it in. And it can be whatever. So I can say, hello there, I'm Emily, and here's my email. You can do whatever. But that's how I know if people are good email marketers. If I don't see that alt text description when I get their emails in my inbox, then I know. So that's your tip. That's all.